In this video, we will show you how to disassemble and assemble the housing of the E4 or E3. Disassembling and assembling the housing is necessary for the exchange of certain spare parts. We will demonstrate the steps using the E4, but the required steps for the E3 are very similar. Have the following items ready: a 10mm wrench and the TX20 angle screwdriver. Switch off the machine at the main power switch. Disconnect the machine from all lines. Notice: damage to the housing components due to incorrect handling. Do not scratch the surfaces. Do not place the housing components on rough surfaces. Disassembling the housing. The housing components must be disassembled in the following order. First, the back panel. Second, the top cover. Third, the service cover. Fourth, one or both of the side panels. Some spare parts require only the disassembly of one side panel. In this case, the service cover can remain on the machine. Use the TX20 angle screwdriver to unscrew the 6 screws that secure the rear panel. With the E3, only 4 screws need to be unscrewed. Remove the rear panel. Slide the top cover back out of the machine. Use the TX20 angle screwdriver to unscrew the 2 screws that secure the service cover. Grasp the cover on the left and right side. Move the cover upwards and remove it. Use the wrench to loosen the 3 screws that secure the side panel cover. Tilt the side panel outwards. Slide the side panel backwards out of the machine. You can remove the opposite side panel in the same way. Assembling the housing. The housing components must be assembled in the following order. First, the service cover. Second, one or both of the side panels. Third, the top cover. Fourth, the back panel. To reinstall the service cover, do the following. There are 2 screws in the service cover. In the front panel of the machine are 2 openings where the screws fit. Position the service cover so that the 2 screws lie in the front panel. Press the service cover lightly against the front panel and slide it down. Use the TX20 angle screwdriver to screw down the service cover with 2 screws. To reinstall the side panel, place the panel at the bottom of the machine. Make sure that the top edge is tilted slightly outwards. Slide the side panel cover towards the front of the machine until the plugs engage in the sockets of the fixing latches. Tilt the upper edge of the side wall cover towards the machine until the screws are placed in the recesses. Use the wrench to tighten the front and rear screws so that the side panel can still be moved with some force. Do not tighten the middle screw. Reinstall the opposite side panel in the same way. Slide in the top cover carefully. Press against the side parts to align them centrally to the frame of the machine. Tighten the 2 rear screws. Press the side panels against the top cover and align them with the service cover at the same time. Carefully pull the top cover halfway out again. Tighten the 2 front screws. Move the top cover in and out and check for ease of movement. If the top cover does neither stuck nor has too much movement, tighten the 2 middle screws. If the cover cannot be pushed in, loosen the 6 screws slightly and repeat the entire procedure. Slide in the top cover. The front marking points to the front of the machine. Reinstall the rear panel. Use the TX20 angle screwdriver to screw the rear panel to the machine with 6 screws, respectively 4 screws for the E3. That's it. The housing of your E4 or E3 is assembled again. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E4 or dentalportal.info/E3. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.